Hi, today I'm reviewing the ILLIYOON Ceramide Ato Top to Toe Wash. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out noviosbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, finally get a chance to review this one. I've been testing off and on now for quite some time. I'm really quite enjoying it, so... Okay, what they say. Take an appropriate... Oh, this is the directions. Hang on. Okay, cleansing the sensitive and dry skin with soft foam that can be used for the whole body of children. Subacid formula offers all-in-one mild hair and body cleansing with soft lather, which is suitable for baby as well. Help protect skin, maintain optimum balance for healthy skin. There we go. Okay, so my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. I love the packaging. I love having a pump bottle. I don't know why. My bathtub is very tiny. There's not a lot of shelf space, but having a pump makes it easy. Lincoln's here too, in case you didn't notice. He's here. He took Cameron's chair today, so, and he won't give it back. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it doesn't contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free and has no real scent. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Oh, he's really getting himself comfortable now. You're never going to get that chair back. Okay, so ease of use. Obviously, dispense an appropriate amount over shower sponge or towel. Create lather. Gently massage over hair and body. Rinse off. It gives a light lather. It feels cleaning. Rinses off clean, but not a squeaky clean feeling where it's like your skin is like stripped or too dry. I just heard myself say Happy Friday. I don't know why, but it's not Friday today. Okay. So, you can use this on your body, you can use it on your hair. I don't use it on my hair, because my hair is really dry. I just use it on my body, basically. And you can certainly use it on your hair, face, or babies, adults, whatever. It's pretty gentle, but still does a really good job removing stubborn sunscreen and things like that. So, very easy to use. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so the main surfactant we've got, or the main cleansing agent, is Cocamidopropyl Betaine, gentle cleansing ingredient, also gives things a nice lather. Then we've got Disodium, Laureth, Sulfosuccinate, which is another cleansing ingredient that's going to work okay for most people. We've got Sorbitol, which is a sugar-derived humectant. We've got ginseng root water, which is an antioxidant skin conditioning ingredient. We've got Ophiopogon, Japonicus root extract, which is skin conditioning plant ingredient. We've got Angelica, Acutiloba root extract, another skin conditioning plant extract. Then we've got Bupleurum chinesis, which is a perennial plant from China with skin conditioning properties. And that ingredient, interestingly enough, is almost exclusively used by ILLIYOON. I don't see any other brands using that other than ILLIYOON, and they use it in a lot of their stuff. Then we've got Perilla Ocymoides seed extract, which is an antioxidant. We've got Ceramide 3, skin identical ingredient. And then we've got mannitol, which is another sugar-derived humectant. So, nice ingredient list. I mean, it's all going down the drain in the long run anyway, but they've included some nice ingredients and nothing super harsh or super drying for your skin. In terms of animal testing, ILLIYOON is not cruelty-free, which is a big bummer, but maybe someday that will change. In terms of performance, I really like it. It's a very gentle cleanser, so it really doesn't leave your skin feeling super dry. Personally, I used it in the winter, and I used it now into spring and what's coming into summer now. And I like it better now in spring and summer than in winter. In winter, it's just slightly drying. But in summer and spring, that's not a big issue at all. So, which is nice. So, yeah, so very nice in terms of performance. Does a great job and no issues with dryness or irritation or anything like that. In terms of the price, so this is a full size, which is, what do they say? 500 milliliters. Retails for about $30 depending on when and where you purchase it. I think I got this for around $20 on sale, but it's a bit pricey if you don't get it on sale. $30 is a little bit of money for a cleansing product, especially when it's pretty simple formula in terms of that. But if you can get it on sale, sometimes I see it for like $9. Then that's a good deal. So then in terms of the it factor, really enjoy this non-scented body cleanser, which is not super drying or stripping. It's nothing revolutionary. It's, in my opinion, not a must-have, but I'm always looking for a nice body cleanser that doesn't have a ton of fragrance in it, and this has fit the bill so far for that. It's a decent product. I also really enjoy some body cleansers with fragrance in them, but generally My skin is pretty sensitive and dry, so this one seemed to work well for me. So just a quick review on it because I know I've talked about it a lot in a lot of videos. So I thought I would do a little review and thoughts on it. Okay, in terms of the Sarah score scale, with a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 7. What did I have issues with? I had issues with the cruelty-free status, the price, and then just the it factor. So, good product. If you can get it on sale, it's worth it. If you're paying full price, probably a pass. Unless you're just looking for a really good gentle cleanser and don't mind spending a little bit more money. Because this bottle will last a long time. So, one pump does my whole body. So, there we go. Anyway, interesting from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.